The 2015 Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 plus pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, backup camera, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, tow hitch, Bluetooth, power steering, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, four-wheel drive, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, MP3 player, passenger airbag, power windows, child safety locks, CD player, fog lamps, power door locks. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.